Hello, before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos.
If you look at all the successes the Audi R8 LMS GT4 gained since it has been launched, you would wonder why we introduced a new car. Well, first of all, there is a fresh, sharp new look of the road car, which we didn't want to keep away from our racing customers. Secondary, we gained a lot of experience with the car, and through some specific points that we changed in the technical package, we can now introduce a better drivability. Two specific points a lot of attention was given to was the traction control and the ABS. Each of those, you have now 8 settings which you can directly dial on the steering wheel to adjust the car's behavior to the changing weather conditions. This is of benefit especially for amateur and gentleman driver who are our core group of customers in the GT4 segment. The GT4 category developed very well in North America and in Europe. Even in South Africa, we found a possibility to enter GT4 car. In Asia, Australia, meanwhile, we could do a bit more volume. And if we can activate that, I believe the growth of GT4 as a strong category worldwide is not to be stopped.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.